Jeffrey, tell us what you're doing.
Alright, so my experiment is which works. So, which works better? The traditional model volcano explosion, so baking soda and vinegar, or elephant toothpaste. Alright, so the materials.
Okay.
Alright, so this is the elephant toothpaste side. You got all the ingredients here: warm water, this will be full of yeast, spoons, food coloring, and hydrogen peroxide. These go for both, so funnel, measuring cup, and bottle. And the traditional volcano, baking soda, and vinegar. Alright, so now for the actual experiment. First step, put on your safety goggles, obviously. Number 2, you need to pour this hydrogen peroxide in this half a cup. Is that right? Alright, so I poured hydrogen peroxide in. Cleaned out in there. Weird. I'm gonna pick it out. Piece of cotton. So now you pour this in the bottle. There we go. Alright, we're gonna take our goggles off now. Now put 3 squirts of dish soap in. 1, 2, 3, there we go. Alright, now we add food coloring. This stuff. Minus green. Just so you know, Ethan, green is not my favorite color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to add 3 tablespoons of water to the yeast and stir. 1, 2. I'll add a little bit more because I don't think all of those were full. Should be warm. Now we stir. Next, you want to move everything else out of the way. So, because this might get messy. Your dish soap, food coloring, all that. And next, the final step is to pour this yeast in and watch the glory.
Funnel. There you go.
The foam. It's rising. Rising to the top. Now the cool thing about this experiment is those bubbles are made of oxygen. They have oxygen right inside of them. So, it's really cool. Also, once it flows up, watch out, be ready to turn it towards something else because it will usually come back at you. So, come on, get out. Man. Adding more yeast mixture because this did not work like it was supposed to. Yeast. Up! Oh! It went towards the camera. Victory! Yeah! You can take your goggles off at this point, so. Nice! That is lasting for a while. Look at that. Alright, so the problems with that part, I did not add enough yeast mixture. You should add more. If you get a clump like this, just add some more, try to scoop it off and add some more warm water to the yeast too. So for our second part of this experiment, we're doing the classic format. So put your goggles on and vinegar in. Alright, so now it's time for food coloring. You can take your goggles off for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6, 7, 8. Alright, so now for the final part of the experiment. Put your goggles back on. And we have this thing of
1 tablespoon.
baking soda. So we're going to pour it in and be ready to take the funnel off because it will react pretty quickly, and be prepared to have your tennis shoes on because run away. And run away. Didn't work.
No. Okay, well, there's your experiment.
In conclusion, this experiment was a fail. Well, as you can see, this stuff worked better. So, come over here, we have some remainders of this. This worked better. Just so you know. Also, we did it over rust, to clean the rust. Well, thanks for watching my presentation. It was very fun, except for the part where I failed. So, this is my experiment. What works? Does the classic formula for volcanoes work? Or does the elephant toothpaste work better? Which one works better? My hypothesis is the classic volcano will work better because it's usually used for all experiments that involve... Well, epic fail. The reason that the volcano probably didn't work better was because I did not add enough baking soda or vinegar. Usually, I think all the other volcanoes have more of both of those ingredients, so I just... wrong. I'm back in 5th grade for part 2. Dragon, and thank you for watching.